Interrogations with the culprits. Charlie Crook.
Why would I steal a bike? I don't know how to ride a bike.
Betty Bandit. What would I do with a bike? I can't take my crocodile on a bike with me. Robbie Robber.
Are you accusing me of taking the bicycle? I wouldn't be able to cycle 1 meter. What's more, my lion would pull so hard that I would fall off.
Rita Rascal.
If there's one thing I do not need, it's a bicycle. I can't very well read and ride a bike at the same time.
Penny Pickpocket. I don't even want a bike. I would never be able to cycle with my monkey. It would climb everywhere and get its tail stuck in the wheel. Theodore Thief.
Why would I steal Henry's bicycle? I'm a nice thief. I would never be so mean to anyone.